What's up, YouTube? It's Hellcat J. I just came back from a ride with my boys. We took the bikes out down the shore. We had a great time. Waterfront restaurant, had a beer too. It was nice, man. It was nice. But today we have a real special day, right? Because we're gonna be doing louvers for the Charger. This is an old school mod. It dates back all the way back to the 1970s. Guys used to do it on their muscle cars, and today we're gonna show you how to install it. Now, my particular unit right here is just 3M tape, which is easy. It basically fits right on. It just snaps right on after you put the tape. But on the forums, I've heard horror stories about stuff flying off. So we got this 3M Adhesion Promoter sponge. So apparently this compound right here helps the 3M tape bond better to the glass. And I've heard, you know, guys like 2 years with their louvers and they never fly off. So knock on wood, I hope that's me, and we'll see. So I guess we'll start with step one. All you gotta do is clean your glass of Windex, and I'll have my lovely assistant Claudio, aka Jesus, help me out with one side, and I'll do the other side. Let down your hair, Claudio. That's good. Ladies, look at this hair. Look at that. Yeah. The locks are beautiful. Oh damn, we're running out of paper. Might have to pause and get more paper.
You might have to edit this one. Sarah's no joke.
Okay, so that's the best we could do right now. We did the Windex, so I think that's good. It's nice and clean. So the next step will be to apply the Adhesion Promoter. So this stuff, I was reading on the forums, guys were saying that you have about, after you wipe it, you have about a 1 minute time window to put it on. So in preparation, I guess what I'll do is I'll take off the 3M tape just to be ready and prepared, and then we'll wipe it with the sponge. I guess one guy from each side would make it easier. This is easier if it's a two-man job, for sure. Oh my goodness. Okay, so as you can see, we prepared, we took the back off the tape. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the Adhesion Promoter. I'm just gonna really rub it in there, and yeah, it's supposed to really increase adhesion with 3M tape. Let's do it. Just line the bottom up. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You just line the bottom up. I'm good here. Okay. Just firmly press. What? That's good? So we're just firmly pressing down on all the adhesions. Okay. And just like that, we have louvers on my Charger. I really think it really increases the aggressive look. Like I said, I got a lot of plans for this car. We're gonna wide body it, put a new front bumper, rear bumper. It's gonna look real nice. Diffuser, all that. I got a new spoiler coming in, and I'll show you guys the view from inside. Woo. All right. So yeah, this is the view from inside. It looks pretty good. You know, I mean, I could definitely still see. And just hopefully it sticks. I'll do a follow-up vid in a couple months to see how it goes. But I'm pretty sure it should be okay. All right, guys, Hellcat J, that's another mod on my Dodge Charger GT. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please like and subscribe. Show your friends the channel for more how-to videos. Thank you. What's up, YouTube? It's Hellcat J. This is just a follow-up on my Louvers. I'm actually got a test, as you can see, they're back there. Visibility is not too bad. I mean, obviously it's a little decreased, but you know, it ain't that bad. I can still see pretty good behind me when I look through the rear view, even though it doesn't look so good from here on the camera probably. But I really want to take her for a highway spin and get her up to normal driving speeds, like 70, 80 miles per hour, see if it rattles, see if it's solid. So let's go. Let's take her for a spin. All right, guys, I finally reached the highway. We're gonna take her for a quick spin, see how she does. I'm gonna try to get up to highway speeds with the windows closed, see if I notice any like rattling or anything. So yeah, let's see. All right, we're at 60, 70, 80. Yeah, nothing. Staying solid, nice and quiet. I don't notice any rattling or any annoying sounds or anything. She's staying quite solid and still. So not bad. I found these louvers on eBay. I'll link them in the description. They cost me about $146 shipped. And I'm very satisfied. They definitely increase the aggressive look of the car, and yeah, it's like old school muscle. Love it. And they're nice and quiet. Increased privacy. I give it a thumbs up.